Every 3 hours in America, someone is hit by a train, usually at a grade crossing. That's where the railroad tracks and the roadway meet.
It's the same 4,000 to 1 weight ratio, your car running over a can of pop, as it is that freight train hitting your vehicle.
Yeah, I was a conductor on the Union Pacific Railroad for 40 years. 22 years ago, we had 4 teenagers in the car, and they raced us to the crossing and unfortunately didn't make it. The driver survived, the other 3 did not. That impact that occurred to me is in my mind for the rest of my life.
This blue sign is now at every railroad crossing in the country. It has a contact number to call the railroad, as well as the crossing's unique address. So if somebody was stuck on the tracks, they should get out, find this blue sign, call the railroad, give them this crossing number.
Time is of the essence. A freight train can take over a mile to actually stop. So letting them know where you are can be a life-saving phone call. With these great lessons that you shared today, we know that we'll be a lot safer and we can eliminate preventable deaths on the roads, but also on the rails.